गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ आवर हिमाचल ब्लॉग। जैसा कि मैंने मेरे पिछले 2 वीडियो में मुंबई से चंडीगढ़ और चंडीगढ़ से मनाली का सफ़र तय किया था। अगर किसी ने वो वीडियो मिस कर दिया है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच। एंड नाउ वी आर कमिंग हियर इन आवर न्यू रिजॉर्ट। दिस इज़ आशापुरी रिजॉर्ट एंड जस्ट लुक एट द व्यू। वाओ, amazingly beautiful. I cannot take my eyes off for a second even. Just wow. Bye dada. I'm so excited for my birthday. Let's go. Guys, अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे नए रिजॉर्ट में जहाँ we are staying for 2 days and you can see that's me, excited me, happy me. The Ashapuri Village Resort, just wow. This is the view and this is the entrance of this Ashapuri. Good morning. Good morning. Are you happy? Tired? Where is our room?
लगेज के लिए आना नीचे सेक्शन में।
वाह, यहाँ पे तो सब जगह ब्यूटी है। ओह,
कोई नहीं, आ जाइए आप सेकंड फ्लोर।
कौन सा
सेकंड फ्लोर पे आ जाइए।
Now we are checking in Ashapura village. Going to my next room, my birthday room. This is my new room. Here I will stay for my birthday. Wow, what a beautiful room. I'm so happy. Especially this part. Oh my god. What a view. Guys, do come here, visit once this Ashapura village. Oh my god, look at this view. Wow, superb. And this room is just awesome. We are going to Mall Road. We are out. Guys, we rented this bullet to roam around the beautiful valleys of Manali. We just wanted to explore some of the most beautiful destination. तो हम लोगों ने हमारे होटल में ही कॉल करके बोला था बुलेट के लिए एंड दे जस्ट टोल्ड अस कि 1200 से 1800 के बीच में हमें अच्छी कोई भी बुलेट मिल जाएगी एंड वी कैन रोम अराउंड फॉर अ डे। और अगर आप मनाली में हैं तो सच पूछिए, सिर्फ और सिर्फ बाइक से ही घूमने में मज़ा है। Just enjoy this mesmerizing beauty. Wow, look at this view. This is breathtakingly beautiful. जितनी तारीफ करो कम है. Wow, nature is such a beauty. I was dreaming for perfect vacation, and this is really perfect dreamy birthday trip ever. Amazing.
अगर हम मई में आते थे ना अपन अप्रैल में,
हाँ,
तो ये पूरा भरा हुआ दिखता था.
ये पूरा पानी से भरा हुआ होता था.
अभी तो समर हो गया ना.
हाँ, कितना ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है ना यहाँ की धूपें खिली खिली हुई सी. We are on the way to Solong Valley, and I'm really excited. Yay! काश ये सफर कभी खत्म ही ना हो. Really, guys, this place is a God's gift. Nature at its best. Beautiful scenery, awesome atmosphere, romantic climate. This is such an amazing place. Very beautiful station and great place to be at with your loved ones. Highly recommended. Wow, heaven on earth. Welcome to Solang Valley.
सोलंग वैली सीधा है रोहतांग के लिए यहाँ से.
Continue on Solang Valley for 3 kilometers.
पैराग्लाइडिंग भी हो रही है करनी.
Solong Valley derives its name from the combination of words Solong, जो कि एक nearby village का नाम है, and Nala means water stream, and it is a side valley at the top of the Kullu Valley in Himachal Pradesh. And guys, this is known for its summer and winter sports condition, and the sports most commonly offered are like parachuting, paragliding, skating, and zorbing. And we are on the way, and I'm really excited for that. Wow. Now we are entering in heaven. Heaven on earth. Just beautiful. Guys, the view of this place are truly indescribable and need to be witnessed to be believed. Amazingly beautiful. Here at Solong Valley, and you can see the crowd here, paragliding and everything. This is beautiful Solong Valley. You can see ropeway here and paragliding.
पूरा ये दिख रहे हैं सब बर्फ है कभी रोक पे नहीं
Very beautiful place. You can see, guys. This is amazing. Wow. Wow, heavenly beautiful, just mesmerizing beauty. I cannot explain in words, guys. ये जितना लाइव आँखों से खूबसूरत दिख रहा है शायद वीडियो में नहीं. And we are on the way to Atal Tunnel, Rohtang. Rohtang Pass, where Ro stand for Suvanch and Tang stand for plain field, is named as such due to people working in bad weather trying to cross the pass. And it is high mountain pass around 13,058 feet on the eastern end of Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas, around 51 km from Manali. And it connects the Kullu Valley with the Lahaul and Spiti valleys of Himachal Pradesh. It's very amazing to know. And guys, you will be amazed to know one more beauty of this place, that the pass provides a natural divide between the Kullu Valley with the primarily Sanatani culture in south and the arid high altitude Lahaul and Spiti valleys with the Buddhist culture in north. And here we are supposed to reach. And welcome to Atal Tunnel, Rohtang. Yay! Finally we reached here. This is Atal Tunnel, which is also known as Rohtang Tunnel. They won't let you to stop here for a second even. You have to move forward. Wow. This is a highway tunnel built under the Rohtang Pass in the eastern Pir Panjal range of Himalayas on the Leh-Manali highway. Wow! At a length of 9 km, it is the longest tunnel above 10,000 feet in the world. And this is named after our former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. We are shivering now. It's very cold here. Comment box में बताइए कि ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा. And do like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my video. Bye guys. Take care.